guys, I am in a very beautiful place right now. This place is called Gallery the Nature, and it is kind of like a greenhouse slash cafe, but they don't consider it a cafe. It's just kind of like a healing place is what they call it. So you come in here, you pay a fee of $7. Kids are allowed, dogs are allowed, and if your kid is under 3 years old, which Hayden is, you don't have to pay for the kids either. Once you go in, you can get a drink. They actually have a good menu. I got a coconut latte and Jay got a grapefruit lemonade. And you're allowed to get one free refill of an Americano with that, so it's a pretty good deal, not too expensive. But this place is just gorgeous and huge. We're just in one small section of it right now, in one of the outdoor spaces. But there's also the indoor place as well, which is just this big greenhouse, and then there's outdoor space that way, this way, everywhere. It's huge. I also saw on their Instagram that they rent this place out for weddings and stuff as well. So that's really, really cool, and I'm honestly in love. We saw a rabbit a little while ago, which was exciting. They have a bunny here, and so many different plants and trees, and they're growing different types of produce too. So they have grapes right behind me. And I saw, I think it's like an eggplant over there as well. Yeah, and an orange is inside as well. So this place is really, really cool. Another cool thing about it is actually right in front of this place is a stream. So in Incheon, this is one of the only streams actually. It's a branch off of the Han River, and it's quite long. We actually tried to go to another part of it which connects to the ocean to see the sunset, and we failed. We ended up going too late. But this is kind of in the middle of it. So if you walk just across the street, you can also walk along the stream, which we're going to do after we enjoy this place a little bit. So very excited with this find. So we're just drinking our drinks now, and then I think we're going to explore this place a little bit and then check out the stream. So that is our plan for tonight. Hey guys, we just left the coffee shop. We took out the Americanos. We have them right there. And we just walked along the river, and now we're going to sit here and enjoy them for a little bit. But this place is really nice. It's similar kind of feeling to the Han River, but a lot a lot less people, much more peaceful, very quiet. And the sun is setting right now. I don't know if you can see, but the atmosphere is just great. Wow. It's been a while since I got to, like, I don't know, go to a place because I've been being very careful. We were careful today too, but this place is great. Actually, I couldn't film it, but we saw someone riding a horse, right? There was a girl just riding the horse down the street. Not something you typically see in the city. And the thing is, like, this doesn't feel like Incheon, because Incheon's a huge city like Seoul. But it is, like, if you just drive a little bit north of Incheon, this is also part of Incheon, but it has this kind of, like, peaceful, serene atmosphere. Look how dead this place is. Anyways, we're going to just relax now and enjoy our drinks and then head home. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you can check this out if you're ever in the area, if you're ever in Incheon. And I will see you guys again soon, so stay healthy, stay happy, and goodbye for now. Goodbye, Aiden.